Okay, so now that we've gone over the basics, we're going to talk about the atom. The atom consists of a nucleus. Inside the nucleus are protons and neutrons. Outside of the nucleus, you have multiple rings in the electron cloud. In the electron cloud, you can find electrons. We're going to talk about two models. First model is the Bohr model. Looks just like the easy model, except a different pattern. So the Bohr model's pattern is 2, 8, 18, 32, and then any layer after that also has 32. So for the first ring, it can have up to 2 electrons. For the second ring, the second layer, it can have up to 8. For the third, up to 18, fourth, up to 32, and then anything after that will also have up to 32. So the easy model is somewhat similar, just a different pattern. The pattern for it is 2, 8, 8, 8. For every layer after the first one, it can hold up to 8 electrons. Same as before. In the nucleus, you're going to have protons and neutrons. So let's look back at chlorine. Chlorine has 17 protons, 18 neutrons. So 17 protons, 18 neutrons in the nucleus. In the first ring, it has 2 electrons. So chlorine has 17 electrons. So now it has 15. So now we have 15 left. So now in the second ring, which can hold up to 8, we're going to have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So now we've used 8, we have 7 remaining. So in the outer layer, very last one, we're going to have 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Now we're finished. So there are 17 electrons in this atom. Here's how you draw what I consider or call the easy model. Now for the last and final example here, we're going to draw a Lewis dot structure. It is very simple, but in order to do so, you have to know the easy model or a pattern. So let's do it using the easy model. First step is to draw the symbol. So the symbol for chlorine is Cl. Next step is count the electrons in the outermost layer. There are 7. So around Cl, we're going to put 7 dots representing the electrons in the outermost layer. By outermost layer, I mean the farthest layer from the nucleus. Not the first layer, the outer. So now you have 7 electrons in this Lewis dot structure representing the easy model. So that lets you know there are 7 electrons in the outer layer. Now here's a hint. If you have a periodic table, there's a pattern. For columns 1 and 2, you can see that the numbers in black are the number of valence electrons which are in the outermost layer. So we just did chlorine, and we said that there were 7 electrons in the outer layer. So on the chart we have 7 electrons, 7 valence electrons. Same thing. For hydrogen, 1 atom, 1 electron in the outermost layer. That's the answer. So if you'd like, make this shortcut and place it on your chart. This is the second part as to what we've done today in class.